Hi friends, happy summer and welcome to another episode of Places to Visit in Sicily. Last year we briefly shared our experience at Etnaland Aqua Park with you, but today we're visiting a new place called Aretusa Bay. This aqua park is located down by Syracuse, which is about an hour drive from Catania. It's opened June 15th through September 8th and it's perfect for smaller kids like ours. Let me show you. Let's talk about prices. Monday through Saturday, the admission is 18 euros for adults and 12 for kids. My 3-year-old was free. Sundays, the prices go up to 20 euros for adults. I'll link the website down in the description below, so check the latest information there. As for what the park has to offer, there are a total of 17 attractions, 5 of which are perfect for small kids. There are also 7 relaxation areas for sunbathing and 4 restaurants and bars where you can enjoy a lunch break in a shady picnic area.
How you doing, Sophie?
Good.
You like it? Lazy River in Aretusa? Look, you're by yourself.
Mom, look behind you.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Show us some love by liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. We now have so many videos from Sicily that I created a whole playlist called Sicily. You can find it on our channel. Be sure to check it out if you need ideas. See you next week. Bye. Maya, you remind me of like Vegas with that granita. Yeah. Looks like you have a giant margarita in your hands.